We're here in Collegetown Center to see apartment number 102. Before we go in, I wanted to show you the unique position of this apartment on the floor. That's the lobby over there ahead of us. You can see the mailboxes. We are the third door or apartment down from the lobby or entrance of the building. And I want to go across, and just down the hall from us is the entrance to the fitness room. So we're conveniently located in a central location off the lobby on the first floor of the building. Let's go on into the apartment. So like our other apartments in Collegetown Center, most studios do enter through the kitchen. We'll have that refrigerator, the dishwasher and sink, the microwave, the drawers and cabinets, and the stove and oven. You can see some upper cupboards as well. Let's take a look in the bathroom. That's behind off the kitchen here. So that's like the other bathrooms we've seen in Collegetown Center. We've got the standing tub shower, the vanity, the toilet, and the medicine cabinet over here. As we go into the apartment, this is the same shape as the other studio apartments, but it's laid out sideways instead of going straight in, so it does kind of give a little more, a different layout for the apartment. So some different furniture layout options for you. You can see we have the same furnishings, the full-size bed, there's the bookshelf, the dining table and chair. Here's the full closet over here on the right. This apartment has a unique feature. We've got a second closet that is over here on the left. So this is uncommon here in a studio for Collegetown Center to have that second closet. So you've got extra storage space. It's really nice to have for coats or boxes or things. There's the other furnishings. We've always got that dresser, the desk and chair. You can see the heater over on the right, the air conditioner under the window. So let's go take a look out the window. Another unique feature about this floor, we entered from the first floor or the lobby level. However, Collegetown is quite a hilly area. We are not at ground level for the window. We are one floor up above ground level. We're on the south side of the building, so we're away from the street. You can see we're right in central Collegetown. That's College Ave over to our right. We've got some trees out here. So that's a look at Collegetown Center, apartment 102. We're a unique studio apartment here in this building at 151 Dryden Road, and we're just one block from campus.